Hi everybody, it's the RetroYuuki once again giving you guys an update, or I should say several updates for the Rinbot. Been a while since I covered the Rinbot, so I'm gonna start covering it more this summer. But here's what we have from 2021 all the way up to this year. If you guys are not aware of what the Rinbot is, the Rinbot allows you to guess and claim characters based on and get points based on images or songs. So on my server, you get to play the Rinbot with games and songs so they can guess which one they are from. So let's go over the updates from the Rinbot itself. And I'm gonna start more with the ones that are interesting. And we're gonna go from May 13. So May 13, if you guys know other languages, they are now allowing you to translate Rinbot into different languages. So if you guys like Filipino, Tagalog, which is Filipino, Spanish, French, all that, make sure you visit this website so that you guys can check that out. The next one is going to be exclamation mark language. So you can change the language of the bot. The translations that have been added are French FR, Portuguese PT, Spanish ES, and Turkish TR. Next one that you can add is more exclusion. Okay, so G colon slice of life comma comedy, or G action comma minus horror. That means minus horror means that can be excluded from the from your query. Okay. If you guys want to know how to start using these, make sure you guys check out my original tutorial, which I'm going to redo for 2022 sometime this summer. You can also use exclamation mark credits to see who made Rinbot possible. Alright? Then Rinbot now has a website, rinbot.moe. So make sure you guys check that out. And then you can do short commands now. Exclamation mark SG1 and SGA3 have been added, return. And now you have new languages like PL, Polish PL, and Czech for CS. Use exclamation mark lang space and then the language code. Alright. The next big one is going to be the awaited, and I know I have to do a tutorial on this by itself because there have been requests for this one. The anime database page and anime list, MAL, my anime list. So you can check this out, and you can check out the statistics of anime. So for example, let's take a look at this. Let me go ahead and show you the browser here. So here you can see how they did on Rin. So let's go to an anime I watched with the Sword Art Online. I added this to my anime list. So if we take a look at Sword Art Online, the original, you can see that it's on easy and safe. So there have been 93% won and 16,000 lost. So 93% of the time that you guys have won this round versus losing at around 7%. Okay? And you can check out who won the most. Okay? And then the codes of the song here. You guys want to check that out. Going back to Discord in the bot here, take a look at this more. You can also check out the change log as well. And you can change your anime list to be synced automatically every day. And you can do so by going to my settings. However, keep in mind that if you want it to be every day, you have to be a Patreon member, which is this one right here, like Patreon. And you can own choice of name and avatar for $20 per month plus VAT. On September 4th, 2021, you can also now do something called stage events. With stage events meaning like if you have a community server, you can do a new thing called stage event, which allows you to do the voice rounds. So exclamation mark SGS and exclamation mark SGSA. Okay, but keep in mind that I'm gonna do tutorials on this later on too. So keep that in mind that I'm gonna go back to this. And then they have new leaderboards if you guys are interested in that. And then my anime list also into multiple categories, okay? All right. Next is going to be this one. You have a brand new game mode called exclamation mark SB, which lets you guess the game with multiple choice buttons. And it's 4 anime choices on buttons, which is only one is correct, of course. So you can do that. I'm gonna go over this in its own tutorial. Now on October the 2nd, 2021, they just entered community discovery. So for those of you who are not aware, on Discord, if you get 500 members in a server, like this one here, there's over 500. You can actually start doing the community server discovery so that everybody can start discovering your server. So that's how this works. That is a big deal because now everybody can discover Karuta. I mean, not Karuta, Rin. And then the next big update was on the January 15, and they are using slash commands, which everybody's going to start using now because of the brand new Discord update in, I believe it was in April. Actually, today is the start of the brand new thing where slash commands are now going to be normal. So make sure you guys check that out. And then the next update was on February 4, 2022, and it uses the My Anime List API. Okay, so check this out when you have the opportunity to. As far as my coverage of the bot, if we go back to my own channel here, if we go back to my YouTube channel here, I started covering the Rin bot when it first started a year ago, but I was more of the how to play area. Now with new updates, I'm gonna start getting more into it again. So look out for more tutorials like this summer. The next one was the how to use the command filters for this one. So that was that. And now we have today with the big updates. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a Karuta bot tutorial help center that can help you guys out with Karuta as well this summer. But for the most part, that's it for now. In terms of the updates for Rin as of today, I will be doing more tutorials for you guys for Mudebot, Rinbot, and Karuta when I can get the chance to this summer, so get ready for that. My schedule for updates will be, or tutorial videos, will be Monday to Sunday, at least one. And when I can, okay? So keep that in mind. Alrighty, that's all for now. We will see you guys on our next tutorial, which I'm gonna schedule for sometime within the next 2 weeks, okay? Enjoy those updates, and we'll see you guys on another time.